Good
Good morning, sir.
children.
Good morning, sir.
Children. Good morning. Yes,
Good
Revant,
morning, sir.
you habituated evening. That's why you are telling good evening, no? Someone told good evening.
I am not told, sir.
Okay, you're not told. Right. Okay. So, how are you all? Old students, new students.
Fine, sir. How are you? Fine, sir. How are
I'm
you, sir?
fine. I'm fine. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see you also now. After long gap, new students, new people, old. Put on your videos, everybody. No need of hesitating. These all are you. These children all are your friends. Even I am also be like your friend only. Okay. This is not a school. This is not like a school. Always teacher will be see you as a very the people who done big mistakes. Okay, you are not doing any mistake. You can show your face confidently. I have to see you confidently. Okay, right. Now I will take someone story and I will end. Okay. So slow and steady wins the race.
Okay, sir.
So the story on slow and steady wins the race.
Sir, the rabbit story.
Yeah. The famous saying, slow and steady wins the race, emphasize on the problem. Emphasize on the problem of over hastiness. This is the moral of the tortoise and hare story from Aesop's fable. Okay, its meaning is it's your story. Okay. Yes, I will go for story only. Story. So but it has continuation part 2 story also, children. So you remember that first of all, just I will read 2-3 lines and I will leave you. I won't take lots of time. So do you know yesterday what happened? What yesterday the great thing happened? Tell me, anybody in the class, one great thing happened yesterday. One great thing happened yesterday. Great thing happened yesterday. If I type means what will come, I'll see. Happened yesterday in India.
Sir, Neeraj got a gold medal, sir. In Olympics.
Yes. Here in here they are not giving that. But Neeraj Chopra, his full name is Neeraj Chopra. He is the first person to achieve what? Achieve gold medal in athletics.
In javelin throw, sir.
Before him, in javelin. First of all, in athletics, in our Navodaya also, in Navodaya, athletics means not only that javelin throw, that throw ball will be there, and the running race will be there. 200 running race also, there are a lot of types. 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meters, 5 kilometer, 2 kilometer. These types, all types will be there in Navodaya. Okay, athletics means lot of fields are there. Throw, like this throw ball and this javelin throw. He done these all things now. So in this athletics field, our India got first gold medal. Okay, before him no one achieved gold medal. Gold medal means first position. Before also I have told you now, if you want to do anything means you have to aim for higher. Higher means if you are studying means you must be studying in such a way that you have to tell for 10 students. Okay, if I give you task to explain for your friends, you have to explain competently. Like that also, if you want to play, if you are very interested in one game, you have to go till Olympics, worldwide, world champion. Understood? You have to study like that. So yesterday finals happened. In that he got first at the age of 23 years only. At the age of 23 years only, he got gold medal in athletics. This is the first time in India in athletics. In badminton, these all games gold medal, we have got gold medal, but in athletics we have got first gold medal. If there are any Sainik students, it will be useful for them. They will ask in upcoming exam. Okay. Yes. Now slow and steady wins the race. This story, the story.
Sir, and ఇక్కడ ఉంటాడు, sir.
He is in India. He is from India. In India, okay, you will get
State, sir.
if you search in Google, you will get to know. You no need of no need of searching about all these things about him. You won't get nothing. Okay, but you can search everything about him. If you want to take inspiration from him only, okay, you have to take inspiration. Yes,
Okay.
you can remember him and you can go up to that level. Okay, you have a lot of time, 10 years of time, you can do anything. But if you go on watching TVs, means your whole life will be in watching TVs only. If you go on playing seriously like this, means you will go up to Olympics also. But it must be మీ మైండ్ లో ఉండాలి మీరు ఒలింపిక్స్ కి వెళ్ళాలని. ఓకే, yes right, నీరజ్ చోప్రా is from, wait, I will search here. నీరజ్
Okay.
చోప్రా.
Fish.
You can also search children, okay, like this. Where
Okay, sir.
Chopra for Neeraj Chopra, Wikipedia also opened. He born in 1997 and his location is Haryana, Panipat, Haryana in India. Okay, Haryana, where is it? Is do you know? Haryana is only state. In that Haryana state, he born in Panipat. Okay, right. So do you know already that story? This slow and steady wins the race. Do you know that story? How many of you know the story of this Aesop's fable story of tortoise and hare? Story of tortoise and hare. How many of you know the story of tortoise and hare? Okay, here we got. Okay, slow and steady. Here, this is Hare and the tortoise story, and the page summary they have given. Story Hare and tortoise story. Once upon a time, they lived a Hare in a forest. He was always proud of his motion. However, a tortoise also lived there. The Hare used to tease the tortoise for its slow motion. One day, the Hare. So I will tell the moral of this moral in detail after reading this. Okay. One day the Hare was walking through the jungle. Suddenly he saw the tortoise. It was moving very slowly. The Hare laughed at it, saying, "Hurry up, you are too slow. Can't you move a little faster like me?" Hearing so, the tortoise felt very angry. Being angry, the tortoise said, "Why don't we run a race and see who wins the race?" The Hare laughed even more and said, "Why not? Let's start a race." The next morning, they started their race. The Hare ran so fast that the tortoise remained far behind. So the rabbit looked back, but there was no trace of the tortoise at all. Then the Hare thought that he might win the race. Hence, he take a rest under a nearby tree too. Means he might win the race, means he thought that he became overconfident. That tortoise, it is very far away from me, far away back from me. That's why he thought that. Hence, he take a rest before that. Then so the rabbit looked back. Rabbit means that Hare. Okay, that Hare looked back, but there was no trace of tortoise at all. Then the Hare means rabbit only. Rabbit thought that he might win the race. Here he take a rest. So he after thinking that, who thought that? Okay, tell me, who thought that he might win the race? Everybody unmute yourself and tell. Who thought?
He will take rest. Tortoise will go to win. Thought.
No. Then the Hare thought that he might win the race. First of all, what happened before the
Hare thought, sir.
Because he seen backside. After seeing back, tortoise no more. Okay, tortoise is coming very slowly. That's why he thought that I will definitely win. That's why he took the rest. Okay, he is on the race. Okay, tortoise and Hare means rabbit. These both are on the race. After moving fastly, that who rabbit after moving fastly, he seen back. After seeing back, what happened? There is no tortoise. He thought that tortoise very back. So that's why I can take rest. Even I can take the rest also. I will only win. Like that, overconfident. With that overconfident, what happened? He fell asleep. He went to sleep. On the contrary, the tortoise ran slowly but steadily and very short. Steadily means it didn't stop. Tortoise go on running. So, and in a very short time, it passed by the sleeping of Hare. Means, so while the tortoise went near rabbit, it slept. Okay, who slept? Who slept? Fast, unmute and tell me who slept.
Sir, tortoise. Tortoise, sir.
Revant, very good. Revant, very good. You are concentrating well. Tell me, Madhulika, who slept in this story?
Tortoise, sir.
Absolutely wrong answer, Revant. You are not concentrating. Srijita, tell me who slept in this story?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Slept.
Rabbit.
Very good, Simon. Very good, very good.
Rabbit.
Srijita, okay. Okay, rabbit slept after sleeping. While sleeping, rabbit, but unfortunately he fell asleep soon. On contrary, the tortoise ran slowly but steadily, and in very short time it passed by the sleeping of Hare. Passed by the means it overtaken the who? Tortoise overtaken whom? Rabbit. While rabbit is sleeping, it overtaken. That's the meaning of this sentence. You concentrate perfectly while I'm reading, okay? And in very short time, it passed by the sleeping Hare. While Hare is sleeping, while rabbit is sleeping, it passed. Who passed? Tortoise passed away, and he is go on. When the Hare woke up from sleeping, he looked around and saw in surprise that the tortoise was near the finishing line. So the Hare ran as fast as he could to reach the line, but it was too late for him. The tortoise had already reached the winning line. The tortoise looked back at the bear and said smilingly, "See how the slow but steady win the race." Okay, slow and steady wins the race. It's always possible or sometimes possible. This is slow and steady wins the race.
Sir, sometimes.
Sometimes only, because this has part 2. This story has part 2. Again, rabbit and tortoise started running race. Then what happened? Rabbit won the match. Rabbit won the race because rabbit didn't slept. Okay, so from these stories I will tell that everyone has unique potential. If tortoise and rabbit, okay, if tortoise and rabbit keep a race in water, who will win? If tortoise and rabbit keeps the race, tell me, please.
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Srijit also told. Very good, Malika. Everyone is telling that tortoise will definitely win. Okay, it won't even sleeps. Okay, water animals won't sleep for a long time. Okay, so everyone has unique talent. No one is less. No one is greater. Everyone has different talents. You have to use that. You have to recognize that talent and go ahead. Okay, so about telling this moral, I have told this story. So slow and steady wins the race is, it's don't work out for every time. Slow and steady wins the race only if our opponent is sleeping. Okay, నీ ఎదురు వ్యక్తి నిద్రపోతేనే నువ్వు గెలుస్తావు మెల్లగా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు. Okay, so what you have to do, you should, what is the moral of this stories? You should not sleepy all the time. You must be awakened. You must move fastly. You must move forward always time. Okay, you should not sleep go on sleeping every time. Understood? So that's the moral of the story. You must be activated every time. And I will keep one video and leave this. So how much time we have remaining? We have only 2 minutes 50 seconds. If this class completes, you may rejoin again. Only 5 minutes I will take and I will leave you. Okay, I've understood. I will leave you after 5 minutes. Okay, now I will share one video also.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Till then you be in the class only. I will share one video also. Right. So what do you understood that how many years? You tell me one example. How many years this Neeraj Chopra might have done hard work? Within one day he got that Olympics. Within 1 year? Tell me. If you agree, yes, you tell me. Within 1 year, he might have won. Within 2 years? No, he struggled for minimum. He struggled for 10 years. From his childhood onwards.
10 years.
Yes, not
10
only Neeraj
years,
Chopra.
minimum 10 years.
Yes, not only Neeraj Chopra, for everyone, it takes lots of time to become very strong, become to win. Okay, so you have to, if you won't get any tables within one day means you will leave. But he didn't leave. Okay, he didn't give up. He didn't stop. Okay, if you won't get 20 tables in one day, you will stop. But your friends got 20 tables because they studied till 1 month. Some may study 1 year also, through 1 year every day for 1 year for half an hour. Okay, so everyone will get everything. If you want to, if you want means, if you want to achieve means you can achieve everything. But it takes lot of time. It takes lots of struggle. Okay, so you don't give up. That's all. Okay, I will keep one video. If this meeting ends, you can rejoin again. You may rejoin. Last 5 minutes. I will take 5 minutes. Yes, I am telling. Yes, that's the spirit of hard work. So for that spirit also you need some mentors, some teachers. So while doing any hard work, if you won't, if you, some mistakes will happen. Some if you are unable to sit for 8 hours or 4 hours while studying, you will get lot of distractions. What you have to do, you have to just remember your goal. So they have goal, they have to go till Olympics. That's why they are not they are forgetting about their family members, mother, father, functions, marriage functions, these all things. Okay, if you are aimed for Navodaya seat, getting Navodaya seat, what you have to do, you are in front of your eyes only Navodaya school you have to appear. Okay, Sainik means Sainik or anything. Or if you are no need of, if you are not interested in Navodaya also, no problem. But if you want to improve your talent means, what do you have to do? In front of your eyes, you must see those only. Okay, till you achieve that. Okay, in Navodaya also, if you want to achieve that, till you get the Navodaya seat, you have to see in front of your eyes. Eyes means you not. I am not telling you to go near Navodaya. You must visualize that you have got Navodaya seat. That's why you are struggling this much lot. Okay, some parents will laugh at people who are studying lot. Some around people also will tell. What they will tell? Why she is studying this much? Nothing will get this much study. She will study means, why this much? Why for girl child this much studying? Like this, lot of where bad things, bad words they will tell. Okay, bad, this disturbing words they will tell. But what you have to do, you should not listen. You should listen to your only, to your words only. Okay, you have to listen to you. Okay, you have to tell to yourself, I want to achieve this. I want to achieve Navodaya seat. If I am 23-year-old means I can also achieve Olympics. But if I just think means it doesn't happen. I have to struggle at least for 3-4 years, at least for 5 years, 5 years continuously. But I am 22 years old boy. I have to see care of my parents. That's why in our Indian system, I am telling, I have to take care of my parents also. I have to take care of my family also. That's why our Indians will sacrifice these many things. But your children, you can use your time. You have valuable time in front of you. But if I just visualize means, nothing will happen. If I just think of Navodaya seat, I will get Navodaya seat and I will sleep means, nothing will happen. You have seen now that boy slept, that rabbit slept. What happened? Even slow, even lazy tortoise won the match. So you should not sleep. You have to take sleep, but little amount of sleep means, which is required sleep only. You have to take required sleep only. Okay, not sleep for children. I think 8 to 9 hours is enough. Not more than that. You should not. Okay, if you are slept only 5 hours in the night time, you can take 2 hours of sleep in daytime. Okay, these many things are required. So what you have to do, you have to struggle. Hard work is most important. Okay, so without hard work, without work towards that goal, nothing will get. Okay, so if I visualize also, nothing I will get. Okay, I have to do work. The amount of work, 5 years of hard work is required. At least 2 to 3 years of work every day. Even Sunday also you have to work. Okay, even Sunday also you should not neglect. Every day, if you divert Sunday means, again you will become very fear of Monday. Sir will ask something, or you will only get some fear. unknowingly you will get the fear. Okay, because you think that I didn't done work, or my sir will scold like that. So now, not required these all things. What you have to do? You have to do work every day. Every day is most important. Okay, for you children, you have valuable time in front of you. You can do anything, but anything when you have to do work. If you won't do work, means nothing will get. You have to work every day, and in every day you have to use your time. So by the end of this, what is the moral? What is the most important thing in your life? Most important thing in your life, your time. Me samayam meeru, your time means in the time you have, what are you doing is most important. Okay, if you want to get first rank in your class also, if you want to get IIT seat also, but you have to do work from now onwards every day. Okay, you have to spend your time, you have to do hard work. Okay, if you won't get anything also, no problem. If you won't get 2 table also, no problem. You can learn up to 25 tables. But what you have to do for 25 tables? You have to spend at least 20 hours. Are you spending? No. If you practice for this day, and if you won't get tables, you leave. But the people who studied for 25 days or 1 month, they will get the 25 tables. Okay, but the people who studied for 1 month, is that person is weaker than you. He is not that much talented than you. Okay, but still for him he will get. So one thought will be there: hard work beats the talent if talent doesn't work hard. Okay, hard work beats the talent if talent doesn't work hard. Okay, if you are talented, nothing will happen. Okay, if you are talented also, nothing you will get. You have to do hard work. If you are talented but you are sleeping, means the person who is doing hard work every day, he will only wins. Okay, if you are talented also, what do you have to do? You do the hard work. Understood? That hard work never fails, or hard work never wastes. That will be useful for your lifetime. Okay, it won't waste. Okay, you have to do hard work on your goals. Okay, hard work towards your goals. Okay, right, I'm ending this meeting. Thank you very much, children. Join. Okay, join in this Navodaya coaching. I will take every day for you. Okay, yes, right. Thank you very much. Okay, bye
Thank
children.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, son.
Bye. Till last, Jai Hind and Jai Kisan.
Jai Kisan.
Jai Hind means our Hindu. Kisan means agriculture. The
Jai
people who are doing
Kisan.
agriculture, you have to pray for them because they are giving us food. Okay, Jai Hind,
Jai
Jai
Jawan.
Kisan. Kisan means who? Kisan means
Right,
Means-
sir.
very good. Raitu, farmer. Jai Jawan also. Jawan also you must include. Yes, he is. They are
Jawan,
soldiers. They
Jai
are protecting us. Yes, Jai Jawan, Jai
Yes,
Kisan.
sir.
Yes,
Jai
right.
Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Right, very good. Yes, tell me once again. Last.
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Yes. What?
Jai Kisan.
Yes,
Jai
right.
Kisan. Jai Hind.
You'll continue.
Jai.
Okay, just.